मॉडर्न इंटरप्रिटेशन वाला बताओगे एक बार आप वापस से?
Okay, so basically, it is not about how talented you are that is important. That is important, but if your talent becomes a threat to someone,
हम्म।
they'll kill you. Okay, so see, if you have heard that in Bollywood, yeah, film industry or singing industry, there's someone who's new and is upcoming and is great, but the veterans would not allow them, would not give them chances, or will, somehow boycott them so that they do not get good enough work. Something that is right now happening also, right? Dhurandhar, Aditya Dhar, new director, unimagined success of two movies, and all the veteran production houses are somehow trying to get them involved in lot of legal battles so that they cannot put their energy in making third such blockbuster. They outshined so much that now they have become a threat. Ranveer and Aditya Dhar have become a threat. A live example that is happening around us right now. Now see, Venezuela has the world's biggest oil reserves. So what did America do? President को उठा के एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया, पता नहीं कुछ तो कर दिया, एंड दे नाउ द पर्सन हु कैन बी देयर पपेट उसको प्रेसिडेंट बना दिया, एंड दे कंट्रोलिंग द ऑयल रिजर्व्स. it was shining because of its excessive oil reserves. It became a threat. Same is happening with Iran. Iran has become a threat to Israel. Possible they have nuclear weapons, they have nuclear this that. Now how do we stop their progress? There has been so much of destruction and demolition done in that country that it will take them a lot of time to repair and, you know, come to that level of progress again. So much of money they'll have to invest in it. So that means whatever they could have used in building nuclear weapons and all, and develop, educate themselves, is not happening. Once you have peace, you have education and development. And then you have industries. And this provide regular employment. And if people start living peacefully, you cannot spread all these violence and riots. तो principle वही है. The principle is same everywhere. Anything which becomes outshining will have to ultimately face a problem. Kings की dynasty देख लो. There are dynasties which suddenly shine too much, and then everyone wants to poison them. Everyone wants to poison their descendants, kill their descendants so that the dynasty ends. If there are five princes of a king, and those five of them are fighting for the crown, who do you think gets killed first? The one who is named as crown prince gets killed first. Second, that prince which shows maximum talent gets killed first. All the weak princes would come together to kill the strongest one, कि उसके बाद अपना देख लेंगे. All these situations show what? When you start shining too much, you are the one who is cut first. So shine, but not enough to make others insecure. Others should not feel insecure with your brightness. You have to shine, but you have to be a star, not the sun, and not in front of your boss. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. They hold decision making power over you. Yeah. So I think that makes this clear in today's context. Yeah. These rules are always
Yes.
there. They were true in Mahabharat times. They are true today also. So who was killed in
Exactly.
childhood? In childhood, who was targeted? Bhim. Why? He was the
Yeah.
strongest of all. He was the most outshining. Arjun was not. He to shined after he learnt archery. Who was the most outshining in childhood? Bhim. तो उसको
Yeah.
बांध के they had sent him in the river. He went to Naglok and was
They
saved.
poisoned him also, yes, right?
Yeah. So why was he poisoned? He was the strongest of all Pandavas. That if we kill Bhim, their strength will be gone.
Ma'am, somehow isn't it a paradox? This last question, like in the process of building influence, or we are doing our work or working on ourselves, and somehow our work gets visible.
A moment.
So, ma'am, there is a slightest of chance that some or the other person would feel insecure.
The discussion continues in part 6. If you have loved this series on ethical power, please subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in part 6.